And organic morning, everyone. This is Rod and F. Manligas Jr. and I will be your teacher for today. So today, I'll be teaching you some lessons and activities that could help you as a teacher and for your students to acquire learnings through set activities. So let's get started. So hello again. So to begin with, let us know what is our topic all about. So, as you can see, our topic is all about preposition of time. For this discussion, here are our objectives. Our first objective is to define what is a preposition. Our second objective is to determine when to use the preposition of time. In, on, and at in a given sentence. So you've got it! So our topic for today is all about prepositions of time. So the examples of prepositions of time are in, on, and at. So it used to describe when something happened, happens, or will happen. So the examples of prepositions of time are in, on, and at. Very good! I will be teaching you today how to determine when to use the in, on, and at in a sentence. So first, let's take a look to our inverted pyramid of preposition. As you can see, on the top of it is the in. So in is general. So we could use in an object, for example. First is centuries. For example, 1900s. Second one is it could be decades. Third one is it could be years. For example, in 2020, coronavirus is the year of the outbreak of coronavirus. Next is it could be a period of time. It could be in the past few years, in the future. Fourth is we can use in weeks and months. For example, in March, in July. Next is it could be seasons, in autumn, in spring, or in winter. So we can use in a sentence when the object of the preposition is general. There's no specific dates or specific time to happen, or it happened or will happen. So that is the preposition in. For the second preposition of time is on. So as you can see in our inverted pyramid of preposition of time, the word or the preposition on is in the middle. So it manifested that on is more specific. So how can we or when can we use the on in a sentence? So first, it could be a days. For example, Monday. Our meeting or a report is on Monday. Second is it could be dates, or our date is on the 3rd of April. Second is specific dates. It could be my birthday. My birthday is on October 14, 1999. Or for example, our anniversary is on January 13, 2015. Next is it could be holiday weekday. For example, Christmas Day, on Easter Day. So we use on when the object of the preposition is more specific. Okay, you got it. For the last preposition is at. So when do we use at in a sentence? So for example, it could be first is hours. It could be at exactly 8 a.m. So the mass of the wedding will start at exactly 10:30 in the morning. Next is it could be part of a day. For example, midnight. I ate the banana at midnight. Next is it could be time. For example, at the moment. So as you can see here on our inverted pyramid, the at preposition, the time is on the lowest portion. It manifested that very specific among all the prepositions. So as a recap, preposition in, on, and at used to determine when the date happens, or will happen. So we use in when it is general. For example, years, decades, and so on. And on, we use on when it is more specific, like dates, like specific dates. And for the at, it is specific, like it could be hours, like it could be time, or a part of a day. So you've got it. So that's so you can now determine when to use the at, in, on, and in a sentence. Very good.
This is the developmental activity. So the teacher will give and provide the criteria to the students, for the students to be able to know what are the things that they should perform and they should do all throughout the entire session. Now, the students will be grouped into 4 groups. The teacher will assign the respective places for each group to stay. Now that they are in the respective places, the teacher will begin to discuss what they're going to do. For group 1 and for group 3, they have the same activity, while the group 2 and the group 4, they have the same activity. So here are the activity. Here is the direction. What they're going to do is to read the sentences. So in each sentences, they will choose the correct preposition in, on, at to fill in the blanks. So, and next, they will locate the word that indicates the time, or the object of the preposition of time, and then they will match it to the prepositional inverted pyramid to which they think that they belong, or the object belongs to.
Example, for the question number 3. Due to the virus, the graduation of senior high school students will move to blank May. So the correct answer is in May, because May is general. So the word May must be paired with the correct preposition in. And next, we're going to attach the word May, which is the object of the preposition, into the inverted pyramid, match into in. So that's it. That is the activity. So again, this is Rod and F. This Jr., your tutor and your teacher for